Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet walk. How are you all my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good, and you know I am Islam from Tangail district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Friday, so happy Friday from Bangladesh. Today is Friday 19 August 2022, now morning time. This Friday morning I will try to remove polluted garbage and old plastic from a natural place of another village. Friends, you can see behind my back very beautiful natural place of another village. Actually, it is a agriculture land area and green nature of another village. Friends, this morning I visiting this place. I walking here and I saw here some polluted garbage and old plastic. So now I collect the polluted garbage and old plastic from here and throw them in the dustbin. So friends, let's go. Cleaning mission is start now. Just action. Friends, this is a really very beautiful natural place of another village. Now I will try to collect polluted garbage and old plastic from here. Let's go friends, cleaning mission is start now. Friends, had a bag in my hand. First I saw here one very old plastic is stuck in agricultural land soils. So I collected this old plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নেব. Friends, this is a really very bad and old plastic. I collected this old plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. দেখেন, polluted plastic, very bad and polluted plastic. Friends, you know I always try to save the nature, natural place. I always try to save the village nature, village agriculture, land area, soils, green nature, riverside. I think green nature, natural place is wealth of our world. Friends, I saw another old plastic stuck in green nature and soil, so I collected this old plastic from here. Very old, so I collected this old plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. দেখেন, dirty, very old plastic. Friends, so I collected this old plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, ব্যাগে রাখবো. Friends, beautiful green nature, natural place. Friends, a really very beautiful natural place. I saw here one cigarette pack stuck in agriculture land, soils and water. So I collected this cigarette pack from here. Floating, I collected this old cigarette pack from here. Green nature, ব্যাগে রাখলাম. এটা আমি দেখেন, friends, this morning I walking here and try to collect polluted garbage and old plastic. Friends, I saw another old plastic product stuck in green nature and soil, so I collected this old plastic product from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. দেখেন, friends, I saw another plastic stuck in green nature here, old plastic, so I collected this old plastic from here. 1, 2, another 2 plastic here. Friends, this plastic is really very bad for our green nature, so I collected this 2 plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম. দেখেন, This is a very bad for our green natural place, agriculture land area. Friends, I saw here one old plastic bottle. So I collected this plastic bottle from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন প্লাস্টিক বোতল সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, I saw another plastic product here. So I collected this plastic product from here. And another plastic is stuck in agriculture land soils. So I collected this plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখুন polluted plastic. Another plastic here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নেব। Friends, I saw here another plastic product. Many plastic product here. So I collected this all plastic product from here. Plastic bottle, friends, very bad and polluted plastic. So I collected this plastic bottle from here. One more plastic bottle here. আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন plastic bottle. Unused plastic product, old plastic. This cigarette butts, this all very bad for our natural place. I saw another plastic stuck in green nature, প্রকৃতি সবুজ প্রকৃতির মধ্যে আটকে আছে। এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নেব। এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন ওল্ড প্লাস্টিক, অ্যানাদার ওল্ড প্লাস্টিক হেয়ার স্টাক ইন গ্রিন নেচার। এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নেব, দেখেন ফ্রেন্ডস ভেরি ওল্ড প্লাস্টিক আটকে ছিল, এটা আমি টেনে বের করলাম। ভেরি ওল্ড প্লাস্টিক। Friends, I saw another plastic here. So I collected this whole plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Village people, friends, I saw another old plastic here. So I collected this whole plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন one more old plastic stuck in green nature. So I collected old plastic from here, very old and dirty plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, I saw another plastic stuck in green nature and soils. I collected this plastic, old plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নেব। old plastics, very old plastic, friends, দেখেন এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Friends, I saw another old plastic here stuck in agricultural land soils, very old plastic. So I collected this old plastic from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখেন very old. Friends, I collected many old plastic bottle, other garbage from natural place of another village, agriculture land area and green nature. Friends, I saw another old plastic stuck in agriculture land soils, very old. So I collected this plastic from here. Very old plastic. Friends, I collected many old plastic from this another village natural place. I saw another old plastic here stuck in green nature. So I collected this plastic from here. Friends, full in bag, I collected many old plastic from this natural place of another place. Friends, full in bag. Now stop this bag because my cleaning mission finished now. Friends, ব্যাগটি আমি এখন বন্ধ করব। Friends, stop this bag. Now this garbage bag threw in dustbin of our city's municipal. I collected polluted garbage and old plastic from natural place of another village. Friends, I threw this garbage bag in this dustbin of municipal.